Hello, future officers. How are you to all? I hope you all are so good. Now we are going to start a very important corner. The corner name is Science and Technology. In this corner, we are going to start our first topic, very important topic, video board. So please try to be understand. You can see on the screen. First of all, there is a given a very small definition. So try to be understand this definition. A virivore is an organism that eats viruses. It means such types of species, either we can consider that organism is going to be eat to the viruses. So we are telling the name of this such types of organism is virivore. Okay. So now what is the explanation is here. The word virivore comes from the English prefix viro, meaning virus, and the suffix vor from the Latin word vorer, meaning to eat or devour. It means what they are going to be tell. Basically, virivore basically made by the combo of the two words. One is a viro, another is a vor. Viro meaning means virus. There is a we can consider as a prefix, and there is a vor. Vor basically came from the Latin word vorer. The meaning of vorer is eat or devour, as mentioned there. No problem. So now, what about the discovery? Discovery means who discovered, either how we got this information. Okay, so now there is a telling. The first known virivore was discovered by microbiologist John Dallon and his team at the University of Nebraska Lincoln. They found that a species of microscopic ciliates called Halteria. There is a one word came, Halteria word. Halteria means such types of species living in a water. Please try to be understand. Like this small very important word you will get. So please try to make note down. Okay, and you please try to write and try to search more information about that word. Definitely you will get more information. Can eat large number of infectious chloroviruses. Infectious chloroviruses means you know very well. Infection word you know very well. Infection is such types of that viruses that is a harmful for that water animals, either waters viruses like that we can consider. Such types of viruses are very important for our health growth, either plant growth, either the water species growth. So but such types of viruses are not useful. There is a very infectious viruses we are telling like that. Okay, so that no that information is also giving the same message. Don't be confused. After that one, there is another thing. There is a characteristics. If suppose that we are going to be discuss about the characteristics, means what they are going to tell. Vorers are a species of protist. Protist means such types of species we can consider as a single celled species. Okay, so they are, we can consider under the protist, which are not animals, plants, not a plant or fungi. They are made up of nucleic acid, nitrogen and phosphorus. There is nitrogen and phosphorus. It means virivore basically made by the nitrogen, phosphorus and nucleic acid. So don't be confused. Very important message is there. Okay, research. So researchers are investigating how virivore affects food chains and larger systems like the carbon cycle. They also want to learn how much external pressure virivore puts on viruses and their evolution. Very important message. Either that is a theme. There is a written very important things. Okay, what they are going to be say here? They are going to be tell. They are going to be affect to the carbon cycle. Carbon cycle means suppose that if such types of viruses that is useful for our body health, either for our food chain, and unfortunately that another types of organism is going to be eat to that viruses, so definitely it will affect to our food chain. So they are telling like this in research corner. Okay, after this one, that was the basic knowledge about the virivore, and after that they can ask why it is in news, either why it is a populated, either we can consider, we can say that why this name famous and why virivore famous. So there is a telling researchers have the found first known virivore or organism that eats viruses. first they got the information like that. It means such types of organisms going to be eat to the viruses. The new finding may change our understanding of the role viruses play in the food chain at a microscopic level. It means they are playing the role in our food chain. Microscopic level means smallest to smallest. Okay, so they are telling like this. After that, after finishing this all basic information, so if suppose that they will ask like as a question answer, it means they can ask what is a herbivore, then which types of answer you will give, so you can take some ideas from this answer. Okay, now first answer is here, first question is there, what is a herbivore, and after that answer is mentioned here, it has been identified as an actual species of protist. Protist means single celled organism, either we can consider species. Don't be confused. So they are telling that feast on viruses. Feast on viruses means going to eat to the viruses. Okay. Second, these virus eating species of protist which are their own kingdom on the tree of life are not animals, plant or fungi are now classified as herbivores. As we read before, as we discussed before, same thing telling here also. It means that this types of organism is going to be eat to the another types of species, that species having their own kingdom. Okay, now third point, it is a species of Halteria, microscopic ciliates that populate fresh water worldwide. Halteria means the types of species living in a water. So they are telling it comes under the Halteria, the fresh water. Okay. The microbe Halteria is a common genus of protist known to flit about as its hair like cilia propel it through the water. Cilia propel means there is a like is a very thin. Okay, na very thin. Okay, so it means suppose that like is a hair structure. Okay, right, like is a hair. Okay, so they are telling about the size and that is a structure. No problem. Don't be get confused. Okay, next fourth point mentioned there. They are made up of nucleic acids, nitrogens and phosphorus. It can eat huge number of infectious chloroviruses that share their aquatic habit. It means such types of that species that is living in that water. It means there is a mention their aquatic habitat. Aquatic habitat means living in a water. Don't be confused. Chlorovirus are known to infect microscopic green algae. Okay, green algae you know very well. If you will go that in water pond, okay, so you will see there is a algae is also there. Algae there is a greenish types of bushes, either small plants. Okay, fifth, these organisms can sustain themselves with viruses, consuming many and growing in size. A virus only died to termed virovore is enough to the fuel to the physiological growth and even population growth of an organism. It means definitely what they are going to tell you here physiologically means that these are that such types of organisms going to be eat to the another types of viruses. It means physiologically means that is a as we have the body means same that viruses also have some like the physically bodies, so they are going to be eat to that types of viruses. So we are considering this types of idea in a herbivore. So herbivore basically they giving like this information, so please try to be understand. And UPSC is a very important for your upcoming life journey. If you have any doubt, any query, so you can give the comment also. Either you can join our WhatsApp group. In WhatsApp group, as you have the query, you can discuss over there. You can ask the notes there. So definitely you please give the support, and I will also give the support. So definitely we will build up the new nation. Okay, so I hope you are able to understand what I taught you, and next topic we will discuss in the next video. And try to like and subscribe this YouTube channel, and try to share in your friend circle also,